So guys, I have already done my eyebrows. I'm taking the Neutrogena concealer and concealing up under my eyes because I have real bad dark circles, as you can see here. So this concealer gives you great coverage, and this color is in Pecan. I'm also taking that same concealer and applying it to my eyelid to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using in this video. This is a Sephora blending brush. I'm just blending out the concealer, and I'm also going to be blending the concealer out up under my eyes too as well using that brush. Okay, I'm taking the More Wanderlust Dream Series palette, and I'm taking that wrong color and applying it all over my eyes, you can see here, using a Sephora blending brush. Just blending, 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 guys, that color out really, really well. As you can see here, guys, the color payoff is great. This palette is the bomb, y'all. And I purchased this palette from my local beauty supply store, and it was only $14.99. Look at that, y'all. It's so, so nice. So I'm just blending out that color, guys. Okay, next up, I'm taking the L'Oreal Nude Intense palette. I'm taking another Sephora brush, a blending brush, and I'm taking this light, well, it's not light, it's like a, I want to say it's like a burgundy brown color. That's what it looks like. And I'm just applying that into my outer V and dragging it over into my crease and just blending that color out as you see here. Okay guys, I'm just blending away. Just blend, 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 guys. I'm also gonna be taking this other blending brush by Sephora as well and just going back over it and blending the colors together. Okay, using the same palette, I'm taking this lighter brown color and applying it on top of the first brown that I applied, just to tone down that color a little bit, guys. So I'm just blending that into my crease and outer V's, just blending, 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 guys. All right, I'm taking Rome again and just going back over and applying that color back into my eye, you know, because you can tend to lose colors when you're applying other colors, so I don't want to lose that color, so I went back and applied that color back. And I'm going back to the L'Oreal Nude Intense palette and taking this beautiful shimmery purple color, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid. So I'm just packing that color on. Just packing that onto my eyelid, guys. It is so pretty. So I was just, you know, I was trying to see if I want to add another color on top of that, but I didn't, guys. I changed my mind on that. So I just left it as is. I just thought it was beautiful like that. So yeah, I'm just packing that on. So I only used 3 brushes for this eye look, guys. I just took that same Sephora brush, blending brush, and just blended out my crease. Beforehand, I had missed my face with this aloe vera mist spray. Now I'm taking the LA Color primer and just using that product to prime my face, to prep my face for my foundation that I'm going to be using. The foundation I'm going to be using is by NYX Born to Glow foundation in the color Mahogany. I'm just going to be dotting that all over my face as seen here, and I'm going to take a BS small foundation brush and blend that out. No worries, guys. I know it seemed like a lot of foundation on my face. It probably is, guys. I probably overdid it a little bit, but no worries, it's gonna get, you know, it's gonna get right, guys. It's gonna oxidize my skin. So yeah, so I'm just blending, blending, blending. Make sure you get up under your neck, close to your hairline, and by your ears. Okay, I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and applying it up under my eyes just to give me a little highlight there. Y'all, I love this concealer. I've been using this concealer forever. I don't know if I'm able to turn away from it. It's that good. So I'm just applying that, you know, my little areas to just give me a highlight. And I'm taking my beauty blender and just blending it out with it. Then I noticed my daughter walking by. I got up to close the door. So I'm back blending, guys. Just blending that concealer out really, really good. Okay, I'm looking like a ghost right now, guys. We're gonna fix that, so don't worry about that either, guys. I'm not a professional, but you know. So we're gonna be contouring, guys. I'm gonna take the 3D Contour Cream Palette by Ruby Kisses, and we're gonna contour. I hardly ever contour, y'all. I don't do it every day or anything like that. You know, when I do wear my makeup and stuff, I don't contour all the time. But we're just gonna contour the forehead, guys, the jawline, my cheekbones, and my nose. And I'm taking a Sephora, no, I'm sorry, that's a BS Small pencil brush, yeah. And we're gonna contour my nose, guys. I was like, okay, here we go. Because y'all, like I said, I don't contour like that. But I think I'm gonna start though. It's kind of, you know, kind of cool. And I'm taking another brush by BS Small and just blending it out. Okay, we're gonna go into True Complexion Contour Palette. And we're gonna be taking that color right there and just like blending out that contour, y'all, using a BS Small brush. Just gonna blend it out. I like using that because it like toned down the other color, as you can see. So I'm just blending, 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 y'all. I forgot to mention beforehand, you know, the brush that I had used to apply my contour, I don't like using that to like blend out my contour. So that's why I'm using this brush right here, because I don't like the other brush. I just like using it to apply my contour to my face. Okay, I'm going in with True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. Now this powder is so messy, y'all. You're gonna see that it's gonna get all over my clothes and everything. But I'm not gonna bake because I don't like baking. So I'm just patting that into my skin. See what I'm saying, y'all? It's all over my shirt. Just getting everywhere. But it's a good powder though. Okay, how many times I'm gonna blow that sponge, y'all? Y'all, I don't know how many times I blew that sponge. Look, okay, this is getting ridiculous. But yeah, guys, I'm just patting that in. All right, guys, I noticed it was all over my shirt. I'm just over it. I'm going in with Fit Me setting powder, and I'm just gonna set that powder all over my face using a e.l.f. brush. And I'm just setting it all over, guys. Just, you know, just infusing everything together. Okay, I'm just putting glue on my eyelashes that I'm going to be using, guys. I like using INV number 16. So I'm just applying that to my eyes. And I had already used a mascara for that eye, guys. I didn't show that, but I will show you when I do the other eye. So I'm going to be taking a LA Color X mascara, one of my favorites. So yeah. Okay, guys, I don't like using tweezers all the time. I like using my finger. I just think it works better that way. That's my opinion. So I don't use tweezers all the time. So I'm just using my fingers as seen. So yeah, love these lashes. Now I'm taking that same mascara, guys, and applying it to my bottom lashes. I hardly ever do that too. I just wanted to do something different. And it turned out pretty cute, guys. You're going to see in the end. Okay, I'm going in with the NYX setting spray, and I'm going to be spraying my face as seen here. And I'm going to take my NK lip pencil and outline my lips. I love to do this. I've been doing this for years, guys. I just love it. It's just something about it. So I'm overlining my lips just because I want to get like a plump, luscious lip, guys. So that's what I'm doing here. Just outlining my lips. And I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. And I think that color was in Fortune Cookie. Yeah. So that's it right there, guys. I'm just applying that all over my lips. It come off, you know, real pigmented at first, but it's going to tone down. And then I'm going to go in with the LA Color Holographic lip gloss and applying that on top just to give it more shine, guys. So yeah. Okay, going back in with the True Complexion contour palette, I'm going to take that highlighter and highlight my nose, my cheekbone, my chin, my forehead, and even my brow bone, guys. Yes, I'm just going to apply that all in those areas, and then that's going to complete the look. You can use your finger as a tool as well, guys. I love putting on my highlighter using my fingers. Sometimes I use a fan brush, but I prefer my finger the most, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Oh yeah, I forgot about my Cupid's bow, guys. I put it there too as well. So yeah, so that's what that looks like. And that's it, guys. That's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And join the family, guys. Again, thank you. I love you guys. Bye. So if you haven't subscribed to my vlog channel, it's LaChe's Time. I would love to have you guys there. My link will be below.